Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on Pinterest by image step by step. Pinterest lets you search for visually similar images using its built-in visual search feature. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Pinterest website and sign into your account. Then, open any pin that contains the image you want to search with. Next, click the visual search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass on the image. Pinterest will automatically scan the image and show you similar pins. If you want to search a specific part of the image, drag and resize the selection box over the area you're interested in. Pinterest will instantly update the search results based on your selection. Click on any result to view more details or save it to one of your boards. And that's it. You've successfully searched on Pinterest by image. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pinterest tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.